Traders, August 16, 2018, the market's closed. Going to provide an update on NBDR. Been reporting on her lately. Figured I'd give her another update today for followers who are in No Borders Inc. So here we go. So the downtrend right here, if you guys remember, shows that there's support. You see the, looks like triple bottoms trying to be formed. Possibly see a green day tomorrow. Remember, this is the downtrend right here, so it could bounce over here, bounce through here. If it breaks through, it's going higher. It could bounce off these levels as profit taking takes place. It's in the trading channel, so you'll see a lot of buyers get in here, sell here, in here, sell here, so on and so forth. But once this breaks through, it could skyrocket again, and obviously create possibly a new all-time high. So we'll see what happens. But right now it's in the trading range. And you see how it bounced off the support levels, and I stated that around these levels, anywhere from like 5 to 6, you could get in and just try to buy at or above the uptrend. And individuals that got along here are pretty happy. It's better than getting in along over here, right? And we'll see what happens. So I expect an update tomorrow, but it could bounce back, like I said. But look at the longer picture. If news does happen, and it's something that you guys are expecting as shareholders, all-time highs are available. It's only a matter of time. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to take a live trading course with me, go to thetradingteacher.com for my upcoming live trading courses.